magandang araw po.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Traffic dito sa city. Ayan. Yan ang may ginagawa po dito. Kasi may bagong project po dito, yung lungsod ng Trece Martires. May bagong project po yung nag-government po dito. Ayan. Nakita niyo po parang park. Yung gagawin nila rito. Ayan po. Magandang pasyalan po yan. Pag natapos. Dahil tamang-tama, may bagong daan. At tulad po rito. Hindi na po natin tulangan ng ikot dito sa may lapidaryo. Ayan, mukhang park po yung gagawin po dito. Kapsalan po natin. Ayan po yung tulay. Ayan, atin pong tingnan. Ano po bang meron dito? Atin pong basahin. Park. So ito po yung bagong project dito po sa lungsod ng Trece Martires City. Aha. Atin po natanggal po kasi yung placard. Maraming sarap. Green Space City Park. Green Space City Park. Ito po yung bagong project na ginagawa po dito sa 13 Martires City. Green Space City Park. Ayan. Ganda naman po yung lugar. Ikot-ikot po tayo. Pwede po tayo mag-jogging. Ayan. So, yan po mga guys, mga kababayan, yung bagong Green Space City Park dito po sa 13 Martires City, Cavite. Patuloy pa lang po yung construction. So, mas maganda po ito pagka natapos na. Kasi malawak po ito. Ayan po. Hindi pa lang po natin alam ito nasa bandang kaliwa kung ano po yung gagawin nila. Dito sa bandang kanan ko po at saka sa bandang unahan ay ganito na po yung hitsura niya. So mga kabayan, mga guys, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Ayan, tayo po ay iikot-ikot. Ayan. Masarap po pumasyal dito. May ilaw po silang nilagay, lalo na po siguro sa gabi. Meron silang stage. Ano pa kaya ito nasa taas? Stage dito eh, stage. Tayo po pupunta sa bandang unahan. Tingnan mo natin yung lugar. Ayan. Yung mga halaman din po sila rito. Ayan. So sa mga guys, mga kababayan, atin pong susubaybayan itong proyekto ito ng lungsod ng 13 Martires City para makita po ninyo at malaman at magkaroon po kayo ng updates. Ayan po yung ilog dito. At susunod po nito ay ipapakita ko po sa inyo yung tulay dito po sa Lapidario na nagkukonekta po dito sa kabilang barangay. Dati po wala pa pong tulay yan, kaya umiikot pa yung mga taga rito. So sa ngayon po ay nakikita na po sila. Mayroon na po silang madadaanan. Ganda. Doon. Ayan. So mga guys, marami rito na namamasyal at na i-exercise, nagja-jogging po rito. Kaya maganda po dito, umikot-ikot ka lang. Papawisan ka na, may paakyat, may pababa. Pwede kang mag-jogging, mag-bike. Yan. Ito po yung City Space Park. Ayan. Ayan po yung mga sasakyan na dumaraan dito. At ayan po mga guys, mga kabayan, yung bagong tulay daan at ginawa po nila rito. Ito po yung bagong daan na ginawa nila rito, yung tulay. Ito yung bagong tulay na ginawa nila. Natin itong ipapakita sa inyo. Kaya maganda po itong proyekto na ginawa nila. Hindi na po mahihirapan yung mga taga-barangay Lapidario na dumaan dito. May alternative road na rin, kaya bawas sa trapiko. Ayan. So ito po yung bagong tulay. So hanggang sa muli po mga kababayan, mga guys, maraming salamat po sa patuloy na pagtangkilik ng aking videos, sa panonood. Maraming salamat po. Paki-follow nyo na rin po yung aking videos. At ito po yung